Facing court can be daunting, and often the financial aspect, like court costs, adds another layer of concern. Many people wonder if they have options beyond paying everything upfront, and that is a very common and understandable question. The good news is that in many situations, yes, you can pay court costs in installments. Courts often have provisions for payment plans to make sure that financial hardship does not prevent access to justice or make it impossible for individuals to meet their obligations. The primary reason courts offer payment plans is practical. They want to ensure that costs are paid, and for many people, paying a large sum all at once is simply not feasible. By offering an installment plan, the court increases the likelihood of collecting the money while also providing a more manageable solution for the individual. This system acknowledges that unexpected court fees can place a significant burden on personal finances. However, the availability and specific terms of payment plans can vary significantly based on several factors. These include the type of court, such as a state, local, or federal court, the specific jurisdiction you are in, and the nature of the case, whether it is a civil or criminal matter. Each jurisdiction often has its own rules and procedures regarding how and when payment plans can be requested and approved. For example, some courts might requiring you to complete a financial affidavit, a detailed document outlining your income, expenses, and assets to demonstrate your inability to pay in full immediately. To determine if you qualify and to set up a payment plan, your first step is usually to inquire with the court clerk's office or the court administrator. They are the best resource for information about the specific policies and procedures of that particular court. You will likely need to fill out some paperwork, which could include a request for a payment plan or an application for a fee waiver or reduction, especially if your income is below certain thresholds. Be prepared to provide details about your financial situation, as this helps the court assess your eligibility and establish a fair payment schedule. It is important to understand the difference between court costs, which can often be paid in installments, and other financial obligations like fines or restitution. While payment plans are common for court costs, they may be less readily available for fines imposed as part of a sentence, and restitution, which is money ordered to be paid to victims, often has its own separate payment structure. Always clarify with the court exactly what type of payment you are making and what the terms are for each component. Ultimately, the goal is to navigate your court obligations effectively and responsibly. By understanding that payment plans are often an option and knowing the steps to take to inquire about them, you can proactively manage the financial aspects of your court case. This approach helps reduce stress and ensures you meet your legal responsibilities without undue financial strain, keeping you on a positive path forward.